This is an activation of the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Mecklenburg County Emergency Management. There is a guy dressed as the bunny who was seen roaming around the city of Charlotte stealing candies, according to these witnesses. This suspect was seen driving a Kia Soul and caused an accident on Highway 277 underneath the bridge of South Boulevard. Do not near the suspect and let the Charlotte police handle this situation. Again, this is the activation of the emergency alert system. All regular programs may now resume.